Bilisan niyong lumaki. At may uulamin kami. Then, the pabo. The pabo, there are only 3. And let's go to our chicks. Here they are. Meron din tayo ditong Rhode Island Red. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the native. At may mga kulot tayong mga manok. Yun, mga white na manok natin ay kulot. Puros white sila. Kulot sila naman. Then, let's go to the other one. Here, our 2 months old Rhode Island Red. They are 2 months old. They are 11. We have here mixed breed. The other one that is native. Baka papa niya ay Rhode Island Red. They have no food. Any sponsor for their food. This is their mother. This is their mother. And these are the mothers of the native chicken. And here are the mother, the one. Then we have here their chicks here. They are days. Maliliit pa sila. Okay. Bye-bye. Sponsor ng pagkain. Ubus na naman yung food nila. Ito, nag-aaway kasi sila kaya nakakulong. Yun yung mga mother ng ating mga chicken. They have here their eggs. Pupunta mangingitlog yung ating chicken, pero mayroong nangingitlog doon. Nag-iintay siya. Okay, that's all. Goodbye.